Today I'm going to show you how to make meringues. The ingredients we need today are 4 egg whites, a pinch of salt, a half a cup of sugar, vanilla essence, and some food coloring. The first step is to whisk the egg whites until it is able to form a peak. This is how we want our egg whites to look like before we add our sugar. We will gradually add our sugar 1 tablespoon at a time. Now that we added all our sugar, we will add salt and a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can add a few drops of food coloring if you want. You can put it in a piping bag so you can pipe it nicely on the baking tray. You can bake this in the oven at 100 degrees and for 1 hour until it is crispy. After an hour or so of baking, this is our finished product.